Hello and welcome to key fob battery replacement for Mazda CX-5. To replace the Mazda key fob battery, you will need some 2025 lithium button cell batteries. Lithium coin cell batteries, when being used, last around 2 to 3 years. Lithium coin batteries have a shelf life of about 10 years. Since these batteries last for up to 10 years on the shelf life, on the back I normally make a note of when I purchased and what year I purchased the batteries. You will also need a screwdriver. I have different sizes. Now, key fobs are very expensive to replace. They can cost up to $200 to replace, and they are heavy. So if you drop them under the car seat, it's hard to find them because they are black, and it's hard to find in your purse, and if they can fall out of your pocket. So for a tip, purchase a plastic coil bungee keychain, just like this. It clips to the key fob. You can easily remove it when you take the key fob to a car dealer to have it worked on. This is a plastic bungee cord keychain with a clip on the end. Again, it just clips right onto the key fob and you can easily remove it. I keep a plastic coil bungee keychain on my spare as well. The first thing you're going to do is flip the key fob over. Then you're going to press down on this little slider and you're going to pull the key out of the key fob, just like that. Then you want to turn the key fob and take the screwdriver and press it right up in here. Kind of hear that click. And then you're going to do the same thing on this side. And then you're going to go on the outside there and slowly remove that. This looks like this. Now I'm going to remove the lithium button, kind of the protector, the shield. Remove that. Just lift it up. Remove that. And then the button wants to fall out, but remove the button, cell battery. Then I'm going to take my new battery. Of course, the new battery comes with this little piece of paper. You want to remove that. Then take the button battery with the plus side up. The plus side is up, the negative is down. Plus side right there. Then replace the cap back onto the lithium battery. Make sure you press that down. Okay. Then take the back of the key fob, put it on the back, and then press down, and it clicks. Then take the key and put into the key fob and let it snap. And that's all there is to replacing the battery in a Mazda CX-5 key fob. I hope this video was very helpful, and as always, thanks for watching.